Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I am here today with a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys. I think I'm pretty much at the point where if Instagram or anywhere says that it's sold out or being discontinued, I have to have it instantly in multiples. First up, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is the one and only Farfetch. When Farfetch reached out to me to partner with them in a video, I freaked out, mainly because I have shopped Farfetch for absolute years. This is one of the luxury shopping emporiums that is so vast, and that is because it acts as a middleman. So for example, there's you over there shopping online for a new pair of Gucci Aces. There's Farfetch in the middle, and then there's me, a retailer, Nordstrom, Selfridges, all different actual retailers selling the Gucci Aces. They sell them, Farfetch collect them, and then sell them to you. They are a middleman, and they are, for that reason, one of the leading luxury emporiums online because they can source so far. Their reach is absolutely massive globally. Sometimes I'm looking for something like, say, a pair of sunnies. I can't find it on other competitor sites. But then when I go on Farfetch, it's like stretches, you know, it'd be like they're here in Sweden or they're here in Chicago, USA, because they can middleman the situation. So that leads me into my first item. I did put a new Louis Vuitton box up, however, it comes in the chocolate brown box because it is actually from their pre-loved section. I'm so excited to feature Farfetch as pre-love. Obviously, you know, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Fendi, they're all the labels I really show, obviously, on my channel. So when they reached out to me and was like, we want you to sort of show our pre-love reach now, and the fact that we have, you know, so many actual pre-love items coming on the site, I will link some of my favorite below, and I will link this. Maybe not this one because this might be the only one and I got my hands on it, but I will link something as close to it as possible so you can see it is in the darker dust bag, and it's got all the Farfetch labels attached to it, so if you remove it's, you know, you're keeping it. But look at this. I cannot tell you, I think I've told you once in a video before, the first piece of vernis I ever saw was an Alma MM on the floor. It was on the floor in front of the change room of one of the boutiques I sold to, my fashion line. And I remember seeing it and I was like, what? What color is that in Louis Vuitton? Obviously I recognized the LV, and I just went on the hunt, and I remember it was like when YouTube was so new. Okay, that's how long I've been doing this. This is the color Rouge Fauviste. This is honestly one of the best pink purples that Louis Vuitton ever did in their vernis leather, so the shiny patent leather. And this was in their heart porte-monnaie, so there is a beautiful shiny gold hardware, and this thing is, oh my god, let's see the date code. Okay, I just found the date code. I nearly had to like rip the side gusset out to actually see it, but it is 08, so 2008, wow. And it is in stunning condition. Honestly, there is its interior. Look, there's no real scratches that you can see. There is its stamp, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. Very standard. Look at its beautiful chain. This chain is so gorgeous. I'll hold it up close. It's kind of like the loops, the dash loop. And then the gorgeous part about this, if you've always wanted a keychain extender, it's got the chain, and on the end it's got the little clasp here that you can see with a beautiful heart LV charm attached to it. Let me see if I can get it in focus so you can see it up close there. It is so beautiful. Then you have your clasp on the side like a keychain extender, and an extra little gold heart to add a detail, and it's like made of that sort of acrylic resin. resin is so beautiful. Attention to detail is amazing on this item. So I really was so incredibly happy to work with Farfetch, and I'm so impressed with their pre-loved items. I'm going to link as many as I like below so you guys can take a look. That is item number 1. Item number 2 is in this ginormous bag. I actually picked this up on the online store. They had it in stock, so I snapped it up. However, hello, look at the size of this box compared to the size of the item. So as I said in the intro, the second I start to see items like being discontinued or low in stock, I freak, especially if I love them in my rotation or in the items I most reach for. So we picked up another cosmetic case GM in the monogram canvas. Here we go, so beautiful, brand new, gorgeous smooth buttery zipper. The layout of the cosmetic case is still slip pocket on one side with the leather stamp on the back there, Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Then you have the other side which has a slip, and then there is still the lipstick compartment on the side there. I like this, I don't mind it. I tend to put like tweezers in it or lash glue. We have the textile card down here on the bottom. So it is the coated man-made lining, which is perfect for a makeup case. Okay, spills, lipsticks, lip liners. I've had it all in my other one and it just holds up so well. Why did I get another one? Because my other one that I use in my daily makeup or in my makeup bags is currently full and it stays open. Now a lot of people don't love the cosmetic cases, they prefer the toiletries because they are square and you can stack it and zip it up, whereas this is a dome shape, so the more you stack up it tapers, so it's going to buckle, the zipper's going to buckle. The way I combat that is I don't zip it up. My other one is sitting, I would go get it, it's in the bathroom. My other one is sitting with everything just open like so, and then I reach and grab it. I'm not gonna lie and say this one might not end up being like that, but I'm just glad to have my hands on a second one. Kind of like a backup, but I know that it will probably start getting used straight away. Okay, let's finish up with this, and in here was kind of a little, you can see, splurge, random. I loved them, had to take them home with me type thing. It's kind of a good thing because I was vlogging the other day and I think I said it on the vlog, but I went in and got a wash and a blow dry at this salon, and I don't know what I was doing. I think I was just talking and I had put my Celine shadow sunglasses, black to tortoiseshell. If you follow my channel, I always talk about them. Another pair of Celine sunglasses. I put them on the table and forgot to pick them up. I ran back to the salon, but they weren't there anymore. I'm pretty sure I'm never seeing those sunglasses again. These might be in good timing. So the beautiful Louis Vuitton case. It's all in the micro suede as well. Very beautiful. I love Louis Vuitton dust bags. I know a lot of people like the hard cases and whatnot, and Celine's come in the baggy with the zip in it, but to fit in our handbags, these little dust bags are perfect. Just don't sit on them if they're in your car seat and you don't see them. So the pair of sunnies I took home were these. I think they are just called the square acetate frames. I'm gonna link them below if I can find them. I'm pretty sure that is what they are called. I don't know why they don't have names. I think that's why I love Celine. Bam! Because Celine kind of name all their sunnies, so it's easier to remember. So my vibe, yes, if you followed me, I'm sure you're like, aren't they exactly like your Tildas from Celine? Yes, they are. However, I thought I had lost my Celine Tildas. Yay! Now I need to get, now that I only got these, now I need to buy a new pair of shadows. Honestly, I am definitely never seeing those sunnies again. It's been a cursed sunny month actually, but these are gorgeous. The gradient in the lens is just beautiful. The detailing of the rivet on the sides is gorgeous. Louis Vuitton have their etched LV in the circle. Here is just the Louis Vuitton lettering on the side. Really, really simple, but really sturdy. I need sturdy sunnies. They need to be aligned properly, and I can't deal with out of alignment sunnies, and I always have sunglasses on. They're a big part of my life. I live in Australia. It is sunny most of the time so sunglasses are a must for me. So that is it, guys. That is my triple unboxing. Again, I would like to say thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Farfetch. I will leave links below to them. Truthfully, they are an amazing website. They're an all-rounder website. They have a conscious outlook onto things like pre-love. To add pre-love to such a big website, I think is really massive. It's just showing that, you know, we can keep putting back. It's not about always consuming new. You can put back, consume pre-love. It was once owned, but it's probably in awesome condition. If you like that video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.